Expect some changes at Brightline rail crossings in the coming weeks.
What we know can help improve the situation is education.
For starters, large digital signs will be posted at train crossings as early as next week.
To think of a train crossing just like you would think of a red light, a stop sign, or a school zone.
And safety ambassadors will soon be set up at the busiest crossings, handing out flyers to warn people of the dangers.
It is important that the public understand that these trains move faster than they appear.
But for the families of those killed by the trains,
and everybody cared about him.
questions of how their loved ones died and safety for others remain top of mind.
For example, the street team. Who are they? What's their training? How long will they be at these crossways?
The attorney for the family of Jeffrey King, who was killed Wednesday night, called Brightline's plan a good beginning.
The railroad has a long way to go.
But he hopes something can be done to elevate or separate the tracks from cars and pedestrians.
I think the question is why. I think the answer is, as it often is in our country, and it's sad and it's unfortunate, it's money. We have to put lives over money.
Now, late today, the Florida Speaker of the House said a push by some lawmakers for state oversight of high-speed passenger rail will get consideration during this year's legislative session. Now, coming all new at 6, some other ideas that county leaders have, including the use of drones and making these train crossings much safer for passengers. Live in West Palm Beach, Alana Quillen, WPTV News Channel.